it gives them the warm and fuzzies when you say, hey, not here to sell you today, here to ask you a few questions.
Yep.
I have a feeling you're going to hate that line.
Yeah, I do.
How do you approach introing these questions, right? They're good questions. How do you approach picking up the phone if we're not trying to be their friend, not making small talk? How do you intro that?
Yeah, I don't ask questions. I deliver insights, and then those insights lead to questions. So, hey, I wanted to reach out to you personally. You and I are both connected on LinkedIn. I've got an idea that I wanted to get your opinion on. I'm on my mobile 720-660, or even better, hey, wanted to reach out to you personally. You and I are connected on LinkedIn. There is something that every construction company is having to deal with right now, and nobody's talking about it. Just want to make sure you're aware of that. Well, hey, yeah, what's going on? Yeah, what's going on is jobs are getting subbed out. They're getting bid in. By the time construction companies are finally participating in these deals, they're the 8th seat at the table, and they're having to sharpen their pencil too much to where the jobs aren't profitable. How are you guys dealing with that, right? And that now that's leading you into one of the areas that we've seen is the ability to start connecting with project managers, the ability to start connecting with architects, with designers on platforms like LinkedIn, where their mindset is there, giving you credibility, giving you authority, and most importantly, giving you access to the deal flow before it becomes an RFP or an RFQ, right? And now I'm naturally then able to start asking them questions, but I'm only asking them questions after they've said, man, that is an issue for us, or that is something we'd like to improve. And I've said, in terms of improvement, back to the beginning of this conversation, I'm locking the deal down in bedrock, right? Where are you at in terms of top line revenue for the, you need to be asking everybody this. You do. Where are you at in terms of top line revenue? Where do you want to be? We're 56 million right now. We'd like to get to, we're a family owned company, 3rd generation. My goal, nothing to make me happier than to get this company over $100 million. Write that down, right? Because you just found what? 44 million in top line revenue that they got to get to. Might be a good idea for them to partner on LinkedIn. But now you've just set your deal in bedrock. And if they're like, wow, that's expensive, totally get it, right? The mission is to get you guys from 56 to 44, okay? Your head is going to spin if you look at what it would cost you to do that, say on Google or Facebook or a marketplace where you're just out there trying to find these deals. It's not the right place for them. Right? And because of the fact that you had told me you want to get into these higher profitable deals and you want to get connected with architects, with designers, with project managers, LinkedIn is where it's at, right? And I just want to make sure you're aware of that. Whether you do business with me or you hire somebody in-house to do that, LinkedIn is going to give you the greatest amount of lift to get you from that 56 to 100 million. Now, I do this all day. I do it for other construction companies, and I can do it for a fraction of the cost of what it's going to cost you for an FTE that doesn't have experience doing this. Does it make sense to engage me? It's, you know, $7,500 a month or whatever you charge, right? Now yeah, because we're talking about getting them from 56 million in top line revenue to 100, right? Even if you miss on that by half, it's a lot more than the 7,500 or 75, whatever you charge, right? But if you just go in, hey, are you bidding on any deals? And you do this questions in the beginning, it's not their job to answer questions. And if we make it worse for ourselves when we say, hey, I'm not here to sell you anything, because only a person that was there to sell them something would say, I'm not here to sell you something. Hence the person I dated 25 years ago, okay? My wife doesn't know about her. She told me she wasn't crazy. I should have said, why would somebody say, hi, by the way, I'm not crazy. Only a crazy person would say they're crazy. Only somebody who's only concerned about getting a sale would say, I'm not here to sell you something. So I would jettison that no matter what, and then I would try it for a month, go through your Course 01 ESP. I know you just signed up. Get into ESP. It's going to change your world, right? We're going to deliver an insight. We're going to get their attention. We're going to deliver an insight. We're going to talk about their current situation with the construction company. Where do they want to go? You're going to monetize the deal. Then and only then, you're going to start talking about LinkedIn. It's going to make a world of difference for you guys. I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you work in sales and you absolutely positively have to double or triple the amount of money you're making in order to truly enjoy your life, click the link here. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching in the world. Click the link here. Check it out. you're gonna see we'll give you access to an on-demand learning portal that's gonna give you video coaching with me on everything you need to know to double or triple your income, or even more. Everything from prospecting to closing to handling objections and complaints to building your personal network and self-confidence, but it doesn't stop there. Click the link here. You're gonna see that when you get a membership to Easton University, you're also gonna have the ability to do live coaching with me twice a week. You can ask me any questions. We can work through anything you're struggling with. I will be there with you every step of the way to help you double your income in sales right now. Click the link now. You're gonna see we've helped thousands of people just like you, and we have the video testimonials from them to prove it. Easton University is more than a learning portal. It's more than live coaching with me. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the link now. I'll see you at Easton University.